What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for this tater tot casserole, you're going to need tater tots, of course, green onions, 1 block of sharp cheddar cheese, Tostitos liquid cheese, sour cream, and turkey bacon. Use whatever kind of bacon you like. I'm sure you guys have these ingredients in your fridge, so without further ado, let's get to creating this delicious dish, family. Okay, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven at 350 degrees. We're going to pan up our tater tots and our bacon. Turkey bacon do not take long to cook, so we're only going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. However, you can use whatever bacon you like again, family. And after about 10 minutes, this is what our turkey bacon is looking like. Beautiful. Again, you guys do not have to cook turkey bacon long. Okay, we're going to cool this down, and now we're going to take our bacon and cut them into small pieces. Just like so, family. Give me a like. Alright, now at this time, we're going to pull our tater tots out the oven from being in there for 15 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and turn them over, family. Yes, this is going to be beautiful. We're going to put these back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Until then, quick facts. When were tater tots invented? 1953. Tater tots inventor F. Neffy Gregg took some leftover potato trimmings and created some convenient food sensation. By 1961, Ore-Ida was shipping tater tots to all 50 states with its fleet of 50 trucks. You learn something new every day. Pretty cool. Alright, family, and after 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and we're going to build our casserole. Our tater tots first, then our shredded cheese, and then our bacon bites. Yes. And we're going to repeat the process. Don't forget your liquid cheese. Alright, family. And at this time, we're going to put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is what it's looking like, family. This is why I like to use fresh cheese, because it melts better. At this time, we are going to go ahead and add our sour cream. Now our green onions for the beautiful garnish. And there you have it. And believe me, this was beautiful, you guys. So if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.